Hi friends, this is Rajiv from Artha Institute of Management. Artha Institute of Management is a company secretary coaching center, dedicated company secretary coaching center at Tottapalam, Palakkad, Kerala. We have classes for CS Executive Entrance Test, CS Executive and CS Professional, both offline and online. And today's video is a continuation of my series in business communication or communication skills, we can say. All of you will accept that communication is a complicated skill to learn, but without which we cannot succeed in our life. People may be having multiple qualifications and lot of knowledge, but if they are poor in communication, what will happen? The people who are sitting in front of him may not be able to understand like what he is trying to explain. And knowledge is different thing and skill is different thing. You can have knowledge, but if you are not able to communicate properly, you will fail. In my career of last 30 to 33 years, I traveled across India, and each and every nook and corner, I did a lot of programs in different languages. Most of the people who comes to me will ask, Rajiv sir, give us some shortcuts to become a good communicator. See, my friends, there is no shortcut to become a good communicator. Because communication is a skill which you need to develop. It is not a knowledge which can acquire. You need skill. You need to upgrade your skill. You need to fine-tune your skill to become a good communicator. So there is no shortcut to become a good communicator. The only thing is that you have to continuously try to improve your skill. In today's video, I am giving you 4 thumb rules which will definitely help you to increase your skill. It will help you to improve your communication skill. These are not shortcuts. These are skills definitely or steps which will definitely help you to improve your skill. Can we move on to that? Sure. The first skill which you should have is, you may remember when you just walk on the street and stray dog will come to you barking, what you will do? You will run away, right? But when you start running, the dog will not stop. The dog will run behind you. We will cry and run, the dog will bark and run behind us. But you just think, you stop and turn back, look onto the dog will stop. And you just start running towards the dog will run away. That is what the skill is. If you believe that you cannot communicate, finished, you are out. If you are not confident enough to speak, you are finished. So what you have to do? Even if you are not confident, act confident. You know that if the dog bites you, you have to go to the hospital and have 14 injections. It's so painful. But still, if you act confident, that you just look back onto the dog and run towards the dog will run away. That is what actually the fear of communication. Even if you are not confident, act confident. When you start acting confident, your entire body will work with you. Your brain starts getting energized. Your brain will get energized. Your knowledge, your heart, your body language, everything will become, it will definitely support your communication. So the first rule, be confident. If you are not confident, act confident. Second rule, talk on the subjects you are confident. You should speak on the subjects you are confident. But there is a tragedy, no? You like Amitabh Bachchan films. So when you meet a person, you start talking about Amitabh Bachchan. But the other guy don't like Amitabh Bachchan, finished. See, in real life situations, a topic on which you are interested may not be an interesting topic to the other guy. What we'll do? We need to find a common topic. It is very difficult for us to find a common topic in the first meeting. So I'll give you a technique how to overcome this problem. What I learned from my experience is like whenever I'm going for a meeting, whenever I'm going for a training or something like that, what I will do for the last 30 minutes, what I will do, I will just watch the news. I will just watch the news. What is new education policy? What is the COVID status? How Indian fight against COVID is happening? Correct. How the Rafale fighter is going to help the Air Force. How Trump has run away when the CNN asked a question. You should have the current affair knowledge. So then what will happen? You simply start talking on any of the subject and the other guy, he also definitely will be. See, most of us, 99% of the people are interested in news. And the most advantage, one of the best advantage is like, if you start talking about the news of the day, the other guy cannot, he cannot say that, no, I am not interested. He cannot feel he is not interested because he also feel that news and hearing news or understanding news is one of the very important aspect of life. Second thing, two things I've explained. One is act confident, talk on the subject which both of you are interested. Third one. Now you're talking. When you talk, you might have seen many guys, you will be standing on the stage in like a stiff condition and they will talk on a subject which is not at all interesting. The subject is interesting, but the way in which they communicate is not interesting. To become a communicator, the third technique which I will give you now is make your speech interesting. Talk interestingly. That means use some stories. Some stories you add, some stories of your life or somebody's life you can add into that. Your body language, the tone in your voice, all those things will definitely help you to make a good communication. So that's the third point. And fourth point, one of the important point is be confident that you are a communicator. Be confident that you are a good communicator. If you doesn't believe that you can communicate well, when whatever you do, you will fail. Believe that you can communicate. Believe that you can communicate. In our early days, when we start trying to learn cycling or swimming, we never think about death. We'll think about cycling or swimming. And we know that the people standing around us are going to help us if we fall down. In the same way, believe. If you are not believing that you can communicate well, then finished. So believe that you are a communicator, you can communicate well. So there are 4 points I tried to explain today. To become a good communicator, these are not shortcuts for communication. The first thing, be confident or act confident. Second, talk on mutual interested subject. If you are not, it may not be possible for us to find an interesting subject for both of the persons. So it is always advisable to watch news and go for a meeting. Third one, make your speech interesting with stories, actions and body language and etc. A good tone. And fourth, be confident that you are a good communicator. If you do these 4 things, you can definitely, even if you are not confident that you are a communicator, you can make your communication perfect. If you like this video, don't forget to press the like button. If you have anything to say, put onto the comment box. And if you want this type of videos to be seen, because Artha will be posting many videos on this series. So please subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed till today. And if you feel this video can be helpful to somebody, don't forget to share the link. Till the next video, it's Rajiv. Thank you. Bye-bye.